Hello, I'm Scarlett Torre, and I am the headmistress of the Aha Sound Sanctuary, the most healing vortex of music and sound education on the planet. And this vortex was birthed inside Ingrid Arna's Diva Mind program, which I signed on for about a year ago. And at that time, my life was very different. I was in a completely different place. I was a pathetic post-breakup mess. I was living out of my car. I was schlepping my instruments around doing one-on-one sessions, barely making ends meet, and just so fed up of my own BS and exhausted. And so when I signed on with Ingrid, I knew that I had a very special talent. I knew that I had a very special healing ability, but I had no idea how to package these things into something that would be of value to somebody else because I kind of really didn't believe it myself. So one of the things that Ingrid taught me in the beginning when I signed on was she was like, girl, let's just rise out of this victim consciousness immediately, detach ourselves from the story, and just decide to rise into sovereignty. Just decide. Very triggering. And so with the help of Ingrid and her team, I did the meditations, I showed up for class, I did the client avatars, I did the Creatrix program, I did all these things. And about a month into the Diva Mind program, I said to myself, oh my God, I'm having an aha moment. I'm a musical genius. This is my sacred service in the world. My gift is in helping other people to transform through music and through sound and through meditation. So with the help of Ingrid's coaches, I was able to birth this program into creation, and within 4 months, my business brought in $100,000. I've never seen abundance like that in my life. So it was so wonderful to completely change my vibration as a result of this work and to call in financial sovereignty. And it wasn't just about the money for me, it was also more about the testimonials and the feedback that I got from my students, and just seeing how transformative this work was for them and how much they were able to rise, how much they were able to heal. And that in itself was healing for me to be seen and valued for my work, which came so easily it was with ease and grace. And so I'm so grateful to Ingrid for the work that she's doing, which is inviting all women around the world to rise into financial freedom. Because when women make money, the world becomes a better place. So thank you so much to Ingrid and her team. And for those of you who are wondering if you should sign on with Ingrid, yes, the answer is yes. When you invest into this program, it is beyond, I can't even put into words the energetic activation that takes place in the Diva Mind. And also seeing that reflected in a lot of the other women that I was on this journey with in the group. And so I learned so much about sacred sisterhood there. We all supported each other through our triumphs and our challenges, and we were all just cheering for each other. Yes, you can do this. Yes, we got you. Yes, we got you. You're back. And I just learned so much about sacred sisterhood in this container. So thank you so much to Ingrid and her team. And I am just so grateful for the Diva Mind, because this has been the most healing, transformative activation of my life to rise into this frequency. And I was able to manifest my temple and a home for myself. So thank you so much, and may you go in beauty and vibrational alignment. Mwah.